Assalamualaikum guys, today we make a most important video for this track. You can see the A track, monster track is punctured by his own leather. Now you can see the how can we repair this. I can try to explain the full video to normalize the process, because the process someone can so important to understand, because the process is heavily good. Now you can see the we out the tire and you will see the hole because there is so much escalator. Now we can another track to travel the puncture tire to its jar to other. Now you can see we transport is the tire to our house. Now the pickup is on the track. Now you can see we come to our house to solve the hole. You can see the hole is so big, that's why the problem is so big. That's why we have a long time to solve the problem. We will try our best to solve this. Now you can see we are trying the measuring. We are measuring the problem side, because the is so important part of the solution is measuring the side. We will has both the type is we polishing, and now you can see we connect the electrical line. Now we will polishing the tire, because if the leather quality is bad, then we will super glue, then super glue is out, because that is reason or mechanics the infected area was polished by his own process. Now you can see we will trying our best to solve the problem. Yes, we will try to solve the problem. You can see how can we try. Yes guys, the problem is almost done. Sorry, the problem is not almost done. The solution is almost done, because we changed the leather finisher to drippy. It's so thin, it's so badly. You can see the problem. Now we will cut the injured side. Oh, you will see the zoom situation of this. Oh no. Yes. We will try our best. Now you see the situation of we polish the whole side. Now we will cleaning the interior side and the undercover side. Yes, it's the metal selection that is. Now we cut the upper thing. We'll cut. Now we will wrapping is called slide in our language. We will slide the whole thing. Yes. Now you will see the processing. We will cut down and sliding the main part. Yes, it's so guys, it's very important process in our puncture repairing, because we have to do our best, because we cannot do our best, then the repair is almost cannot done. That's why we will try our best to this. You will see the process Now you see the gap was almost done to repair. Now we try the next part. Next hole. We also done this because the hole is second hole is not so bigger than first hole. That's why we covering the first hole is so far so slowly. We trying to fast, but hole is big. That's why we solve the problem is so lazy, but second hole is so fast because now you will see we flashing second part we will flashing because this part we will flash and give the mechanics to the problem. Now you will see what the problem is so much or is cleaning so far as well as it's crashing, guys. It's crashing the wheel. I think now the video is so longer than our viewers can come here to see the video. You also subscribe our YouTube channel Sadiq Planet. I also tell the Sadiq Planet name is my first time is I think it's my 53 long video. I tell my YouTube channel first I tell. So I think you all subscribe my YouTube channel to show this type of video as soon as possible. We continue to make this type of video. Guys, I think this type of video is so important, our laziness and our we trying to make this video. Well, now you will see the leather is fully coated by other thinking. Wow. Some people think why we repair the tire, why we cannot replace, because the tire price is so high. If we suddenly replace the tire, then we cannot survive in business. That's why we cannot replace, we repair this. You can see the when all things are gone, then you see the final result. Then you cannot believe the result because you cannot know where is the gap, where is the hole, because it's so much goodly attachment is so much good. Now you can see the process to your leather. Now this thing is so important, brother. Is the process is now is sketching the side. It's called, this metal is called wrapping, and the metal is called wrapper. Wrapper is so much heavy to attachment thing, because that's why we buy the things but we cannot use the metal because the metal is cannot flexible, but this thing all are so much flexible. When we work, then flexible metal is so much useful, as well as now you can see where another metal used, because the first metal is cannot all used. That's why. Now you can think what we tell, but I explain the whole situation in some time. After some time you cannot find where the hole, because we fixed it as soon as 100% properly. You cannot believe how much it cost. At last I say the costing about replacement and reuse. Now you can see the process. The process is on. Now you can see the process. The process is so much sticky because we cannot stick the process so weak. That's why we stick. I think you all understand my language. I am trying to serve my best language. Now you can see go to our main machine. This main machine is so hard. Ignoring the noise because I am not the proper used to do voiceover as my video. That's why the noise is so badly effective in my video. Now you can come to the main topic. You will see the process we are saving the whole situation as soon as possible. Now we gasting. I think gasting is far better than lighter, guys, because lighter is not so effective in our daily life. It's so badly processed. Gasoline because the gasoline is so much expensive but so much good. Now you will see the process is continue or levers. We cannot call these people is levers because he is my brother. So I say his brother. I cannot lever. I say also say engineer or tire engineer is good. I think the name. Because he is always trying to fix our tire and he is also expert as engine JCB or another engine. He also so goodly finished the work. His work is so good, guys. My brother is also hero in this type of work. Now you can see the process is so much good as well as will go. Now you can see we'll continue. It's so hard, guys, but I think you also love this type of video. That's why you see this. So many people don't comment, but I like when you comment, then we are so happy. I am testing the main tower to attachment. Another thing to our tower is so good. That's why we are gaslighting. Now is good. We will try our best to continue our video. Now you also tell, or you can tell every time in video or only intro time video. You also tell this because you cannot tell, I cannot know. That's why you tell. And I will understand the situation and take the right decision. So then easy to take the right decision. Now you will see the way solved. Now you can know where the leakage, because we fixed as soon as possible and as soon as good. That's why you cannot know. How you can see we attached the JCB to the tire. This tire is not so light. That's why we have so to test. Now you can see the work is almost done. There is some pumping and the whole work is done as soon as possible. Now you can see we're pumping. It's so pressurized. The pumper is also whole body. Now you can see the volume is solved. We are pumping the right sign. It's good. Now we are ending the video. We are running the pump. It's good. It's good. Is 422. So last time 422. That's why we pump again. Good, okay. That's the video, guys. Thank you very much to watch our whole video. I think you all watched my eyes. Thanks. Thank you very much.